How to boil potatoes. Let me show you. I like to usually use the potatoes with the skin on. There's actually more nutrients just under the skin, which often people peel away. If your potatoes start to sprout and you've had them a little bit too long, it's okay. You can either use your thumb to snap them off, or you can use a sharp knife to cut away, depending if it's close to the potato. I also like to use the scrub cloth. After washing the potatoes well, you can use the scrub cloth as just another layer of cleanliness to help rub off any extra dirt that might have clinged onto the potato after washing. Now I'm going to add water, just enough to cover the top of the potatoes, and put it onto the stovetop at high heat. You want to boil the potatoes. Usually takes about 25 minutes. Use a sharp knife. If it goes through just like butter, then you know that your potatoes are ready to go. Strain the potatoes. Double check that they're ready. And I like to add a little bit of olive oil while they're still hot, because it helps to absorb the flavors and the oil a little bit better. Add some sea salt, freshly ground pepper. Rosemary is always my herb to go to. And also ground garlic powder. Give that a good toss. Serve that with your favorite meal. We served it with a rib steak, but you can serve it with chicken or anything that your family loves. Bon appetit!